What would it mean to your business if you could book more premium clients that can afford your prices and also respect and honor your work? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, today I want to cover 3 tips to increase your sales and service bookings. So we're going to actually go a little deep to help you really attract those customers, those premium customers that you desire to work with and also desire to work with you. If you're seeking to attract more clients, need more sales, or have a hard time attracting those premium clients that can afford your business, sometimes it's because you need to make more offers. The next thing is your messaging is not as clear, or you need to clearly articulate the value to your customers. Sometimes they may not understand or be clear about what you offer. So you want to get really crystal clear in your messaging that tells your client who you are, how you can help them. What is in it for them when it comes to working with you? If you're coming across those customers that can't afford your pricing and asking for discounts or whatever the case may be, it could be that you need to elevate your audience or your messaging to attract those customers that you want. Another thing it could be you just need to tweak your strategy so you can easily turn those leads into paying clients. So here are 5 tips that you can apply right now to position you in front of those customers that want your products and services. Number 1, you want to start always with making sure that your brand is in alignment to who you are, what you do, your strategy, and everything. So brand alignment is the most important, making sure your business and brand is in alignment to who you are, who you love to work with, and truly understanding and being really specific on the niche, what you do best to create transformation in the lives of your premium ideal customers. All right, you need to articulate that in your messaging, your marketing, and everything that you create, because remember, it's all about attracting the customers that want and need your products and services and that you are designed to help. But most importantly, it's always important that you keep your brand at the top of your customers' minds. So you want to do this by truly getting clear about what you do to create transformation in the lives of others. The next thing you want to do is get really detail specific. Who are the customers that you desire to work with? Who do you feel like called to lead or called to serve? So getting yourself in alignment to those clients that want and need your products and services. What is the most urgent need they need to overcome right now? How can you take them from where they are to where they want to be? So the next thing you want to be focusing on is your offer. How can you move them from their pain to the desired outcome? So what is your promise that shows them and paints the picture of the transformation? And that is what you're going to deliver to them. Another thing that can really help you get really specific on the customers that you want to work with is understanding this customer journey. What stage in the customer's journey does a client need to be at to work with you or invest in your product, services, or program? This is really important, again, because it gives you an idea of where the customer is in their business or where the customer is in their life. It also helps you get really specific on the demographics and the psychographics of the customers that you're working with. So it gets you really in tune and helps you really identify who those premium clients are and how you can understand their mindset, their behaviors, and their buying habits. What will it also take for them if they weren't ready to get to a position to work with you? And what do those clients look like that are ready to work with you and ready to invest? So these are really important to get an idea of what it is that you need to be prepared for when it comes to objectives, and also really pre-qualifying your clients. All right, and those clients that really want to work with you and then can afford your prices and afford your programs, and most importantly, they want the transformation, the result. We talked about alignment, and one of the things that helps us to get in alignment is really making sure we have the mindset to put in the work and to create the outcome that we want. Many times in our own minds, or it's our own selves that hold us back from taking the necessary steps that we need to reach the obtainable goal. You always want to make sure that you are eliminating anything that is holding you back. You recognize and eliminate anything that could be possibly holding you back mentally, emotionally, whatever it is. You want to make sure that you know how to manage and eliminate anything, especially mental blocks that could be holding you back, that comes in the form of fear, self-doubt, undervaluing yourself, not charging your worth, or other things that come up that keeps you from taking the necessary actions that you need to implement daily to reach your goals. Pay attention to your thoughts and how you respond, especially when you're taking actions. When fear comes, remember, if fear, self-doubt, and those things come, you can always switch your mindset to something positive. You can always eliminate that, and despite how you feel, step into putting in the work and step into doing it anyway. Feel the fear, do it anyway. Feel the self-doubt, do it anyway. Feel the resistance, do it anyway. It's all about taking massive actions to get the result that you want. You need to always be pushing the limit and always doing things that make you uncomfortable. That's how we grow, and that's how we get to the next level. So if you're complacent, you need to get in momentum of moving and doing and creating the things that you need and putting in the work that you need to get the result. So transforming your mind, raising your standards, and upgrading your habits with extreme focus on the things that give you the highest return. All right, so you want to make sure that you are focused on putting in the work. So getting serious, committing, and doing the things that are necessary to get you the results. So trust the process. Be patient with yourself in the journey. Take imperfect actions to move your business forward. If you're ready to increase your revenue, generate sales, increase your clientele, and discover and implement proven strategies to position your brand in front of your ideal premium clients, I want you to click the link in the bio. I help you with crafting the right offers, messaging, positioning. You'll learn list building, growth, and visibility strategies to generate those leads and also to scale. You'll also learn how to raise your rates, structure your pricing so you can get those happy clients. You'll also learn proven ways to increase your profit without costly ads and creating more. If you are ready to bring your brand in alignment to create consistent sales and also consistently attract premium clients that want and need your solutions, definitely click the link and join. I hope all is well. Remember, keep growing, keep going, keep soaring. And I will see you guys at the top. God bless.